Hello traders, today I'm revealing a game changer Excel sheet, a tool that has completely transformed how I manage my trades, whether it's stocks, options, forex, or crypto. It's my secret weapon, a powerful trading Excel sheet that not only tracks your trades, but dynamically adjusts your trade size based on your results. This isn't just a sheet, it's a system that ensures you're always trading smart, managing risk, and maximizing growth. And even if things don't go perfectly, like hitting a losing streak, this sheet keeps you on track. Let's dive in. Before I show you the sheet, let's talk about why money management is absolutely critical. Trading isn't about being right all the time. It's about managing risk and compounding your wins. With proper money management, you can handle losses and still end up in profit at the end of the month. Imagine this. You start with $10,000 and risk 10% of your account per trade. If your first trade is a win, this sheet increases your trade size by 10% for the next trade. So instead of trading $1,000, your next trade size becomes $1,010, allowing you to compound your growth. On the flip side, if your trade ends in a loss, the sheet reduces your trade size by 10% to $990 in this case. This helps protect your capital during tough times and prevents over-risking. This is the tool that makes it all happen. With this sheet, you can input your initial investment, set a monthly profit target like 10%, and track each trade's profit or loss. But here's the game changer. The sheet automatically adjusts your trade size dynamically based on your results. First, you enter your starting balance. For example, with an initial investment of $10,000, the sheet calculates your first trade size as 10% of your account $1,000. After you complete the trade, you simply select win or loss from the drop-down. If it's a win, the sheet increases your next trade size by 10% to $1,010. If it's a loss, your trade size decreases by 10% to $990. This dynamic adjustment is what makes this sheet so powerful. It ensures that you're maximizing growth when you're winning and protecting your capital when you're losing. The sheet also tracks your remaining monthly target, so you know exactly how close you are to achieving your goals. Imagine you did 22 trades this month. Out of these, you had 10 losses, including a 5-loss streak. But because your trade size was reduced during those losses, your account wasn't severely impacted. Then, with each win, your trade size increased, allowing you to compound your profits. By the end of the month, even with those 10 losses, you still ended in a profits for that month. This is the beauty of dynamic money management. It lets you stay in the game, grow your account, and avoid emotional decision making. This isn't just a spreadsheet, it's a discipline building tool. It keeps you consistent and focused no matter what the markets throw at you. By automatically adjusting your trade size, it takes the guesswork out of managing risk and allows you to capitalize on winning streaks while staying safe during losing ones. And most importantly, it prevents you from risking too much when emotions are high, keeping your trading account alive and growing over the long term. If you're serious about trading and want to take control of your finances, this Excel sheet is a must-have. It's simple, effective, and a total game changer for managing risk and staying on track. Let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge when it comes to managing trades. And if you're ready to level up your trading, hit that like button and subscribe, because I've got more incredible tools, strategies, and insights coming your way.